Thanks for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're exploring the rapidly transforming market for hearing aids, a sector that has seen significant change following a landmark decision in the United States. The public health need has always been enormous. In the US alone, roughly 37.5 million adults report some trouble hearing, and about 28.8 million could benefit from hearing aids. Yet historically, fewer than 1 in 5 of those individuals have used them, often due to cost and lack of access. This landscape began to shift dramatically in 2022, when the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, finalized a historic rule creating an over-the-counter or OTC category for hearing aids. This rule allows these devices to be sold directly to consumers in stores and online without the need for a medical exam, prescription, or a fitting adjustment by an audiologist. The regulation specifically targets adults with perceived mild to moderate hearing loss, aiming to directly address the barriers that have kept usage rates so low. The impact has been immediate and far-reaching. We've seen an expansion of access through new storefront and online sales channels, giving consumers more control over their purchasing decisions. This regulatory tailwind has also seeded rapid device innovation. Manufacturers are now competing to integrate user-friendly features like self-fitting applications controlled by a smartphone and seamless integrations with other consumer electronics. Early analyses from 2024 and into 2025 are already pointing to improved affordability and a much broader choice of products for consumers. However, this new OTC category hasn't replaced the traditional model. Prescription hearing aids continue to dominate clinical fittings, which are managed through audiology practices and major providers like the Department of Veterans Affairs or the VA. This creates a dual market where prescription devices remain the standard for more severe hearing loss or for patients who require professional medical consultation. With aging demographics and rising public awareness, hearing aids are now both a clinical mainstay and a consumer-reachable medical device. This unique position makes it arguably one of 2025's most dynamic categories, defined by its expanding user base, diverse purchase channels, and crucial role in daily communication and quality of life. Navigating these regulatory shifts, whether in the US or other global markets, requires deep expertise. If your company needs help with global market access for your medical devices, we invite you to check out Pure Global. For more resources, including our free AI tools and database, check the description for this episode. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.